In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to short sell on Trading 2 and 12. So whether you're a seasoned trader looking to expand your strategies or a beginner ready to dive into short selling, this guide will walk you through it step by step. The process is straightforward, but it's important to understand each step fully before getting started. First, make sure you log into your Trading 212 CFD account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and get it set up. Logging in will land you on your personal dashboard where you can access all the tools you'll need. This setup ensures you're ready to take advantage of the entire suite of features Trading 212 has to offer, particularly for CFD trading, which includes short selling. Once you're logged in, the next step is to search for the asset that you wish to short. This could be a stock, a commodity, or any financial instrument offered by Trading 212 that you think might decrease in value. Use the search bar at the top of the interface to find your desired asset quickly. Typing in the asset name or ticker symbol should bring it up immediately, streamlining your process. After you have selected your asset, the crucial step is to click Sell instead of Buy. Remember, you are anticipating a decline in the asset's value, and clicking Sell signals your intent to benefit from that decline. This selection opens the trading interface, displaying the current sell price and additional options for your trade setup. At this point, it's time to set the trade parameters. This includes defining the volume, which determines how much of the asset you want to short. Additionally, you have the option to set a stop loss and take profit. A stop loss is critical for risk management, automatically closing your position if the market moves against you to a predetermined level. Similarly, a take profit ensures you lock in gains once the asset falls to a target price. These features are especially beneficial in managing risk, allowing you to conduct your trades with a level of protection in place. With all your preferences set, you're ready to confirm and open the short position. Double-check all your inputs. This includes the asset, volume, and any risk management parameters you've established. When you're confident everything is correct, click the Confirm button to officially open the short position. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a short position on Trading 2 and 12. It's always important to monitor your trades and make adjustments as needed based on market conditions. Remember to practice responsible trading and continue educating yourself on market trends and strategies. Thank you for watching and happy trading on Trading 212.